Hey everyone, I'm excited to talk to you about an incredible advancement in the world of medical technology. BiVACOR, the future of artificial hearts. Now, BiVACOR isn't just any artificial heart. It's a titanium marvel designed to replace failing human hearts with a level of precision and durability we've never seen before. Imagine a world where heart failure is no longer a death sentence. This device could make that a reality. So, what sets BiVACOR apart? First, its design. Crafted from titanium, it's not only strong but also biocompatible. That means fewer complications and a longer lifespan for the device. But it's not just about durability. This heart is engineered to closely mimic the natural functions of a human heart, providing consistent blood flow to keep patients healthy and active. Let's talk about the technology inside. BiVACOR utilizes a unique centrifugal pump mechanism. This is a huge leap from the traditional pulsatile pumps you might be familiar with. The centrifugal pump offers a smoother, more continuous flow of blood, reducing the risk of blood clots and other complications. It's like having a heart that never skips a beat. And for you, the medical professionals, BiVACOR is designed with ease of use in mind. Its modular components make it straightforward to implant and maintain, meaning less time in surgery and more time improving patient outcomes. In summary, BiVACOR is a game changer. It's robust, technologically advanced, and designed to seamlessly integrate into the human body. The future of heart replacement therapy is here, and it's called BiVACOR. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's continue to push the boundaries of medical science together. See you next time.